Today we are going to discuss about green plant, the food producer. All living beings need food for growth and survival. Plant can produce their own food, but animal and human being depend on plants directly or indirectly for food. Now the question arises, how plant can make their own food? So the simple answer to this is leaf. Leaf contain chlorophyll which help them to produce food. Now let us see the structure of leaf. So this is a leaf, this is a midvein, these are the stomata. Leaf are mostly green in color due to the presence of chlorophyll. So we can say the chlorophyll serves two purposes. First, imparts green color to the leaf, and secondly, helps in the production of food. Now let us see the functions of leaf. So first is the production of food. Leaves help in producing the food with the help of chlorophyll. This is the reason why leaf is always called the food factory of plant. So we can say that leaf is the food factory of the plant. Secondly, leaves have stomata which helps them to breathe, which helps the plant to breathe. And third, leaf stores food produced by plant. When we are talking about green plant, how can we forget photosynthesis? So what is photosynthesis? Let us break this word into two parts. First is photo, other is synthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means putting together. So we can say that photosynthesis is the process by which green plant produces food with the help of water, carbon dioxide, sunlight, in the presence of chlorophyll. So what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process by which green plant produces food with the help of water, carbon dioxide, sunlight in the presence of chlorophyll. Green plants uses water, carbon dioxide, sunlight in the presence of chlorophyll to produce food. Now, the food produced by plant is stored in the form of starch. And the food produced by plant is called sugar. Now let us see some different kinds of plant. Some amazingly different plant. These plants are different from the normal plants. Let us see first. Cactus. The leaves of the cactus are modified into spine. Hence, they cannot perform photosynthesis. Secondly, the food is produced by stems. Next, mushroom. A mushroom is non-green in color. Reason being the absence of chlorophyll. Third, money plant or plant with variated leaves. This plant are partly green and partly yellow, due to which only the green part processes the photosynthesis. So, here comes the end of some amazingly different plant. Let us see the interdependence. Interdependence of plant, animal and human being. Human, animal, plant. So, human and animal exhale carbon dioxide, which is inhaled by plant, which help it in the process of producing food, and then plant exhales oxygen, which is used by animal and human, and plus it gives food, which is used by animal and human. This cycle continues and it shows the interdependence of animal, human being and plants. I hope this session is clear to you. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.